Hi everyone, welcome to senior year. We're sorry that we can't be in person with you, but we want you to know that doesn't mean we aren't available. Counselors are working every day, and one of our most important jobs of each school year is to make sure that you have a post-secondary plan in place before you graduate. So it's time to start thinking about the question, what's your plan? In this lesson, we will take a survey about your plan, review the timeline of what you need to do to make sure you have a plan, provide the resources you need to get started, share information about important senior events, and explain how you can get your official transcript and letters of recommendation. Before we give you the information you need to get started, we need you to complete a survey to let your counselor know where you are in the planning process. Everyone will be at different points in the process, and that's okay. Be honest on the survey so that your counselor can best help you. Click on the survey link and complete it before moving on. There's no need to wait to meet with your counselor to begin finalizing your plan. Start researching and applying now. Those deadlines are approaching quickly. During the months of September and October, you will meet one-on-one or in small groups virtually with your counselor to discuss your plan and next steps. October 1st, the FAFSA application opens. The sooner you submit your FAFSA, the better. If you are applying to college, the priority deadline for most schools is October 31st. This helps with admissions, scholarships, honors programs, and more. The most important takeaway from today's lesson is to get started. Your counselor will set up meetings according to the information you provided in the survey. So even though you will wait for your appointment with your counselor, you should start planning now. So how do you get started? On this slide, you will find all of the resources and links that you need to get started. Your post-secondary options are listed on the left-hand column. If you are unsure of which option you will choose, research them by using the links. To begin applying, use the resources and links in the center column. To apply to a college or trade school, you will find the application on the college or trade school's website. Don't be afraid to begin an application. Create an account and get started. You will be able to save your progress and ask your counselor questions before you actually submit your application. There are also links that highlight the steps you need to take to enlist in the military, complete the Triton application, or create a resume for full-time work. On the right-hand column, you will begin researching financial aid and scholarships. You will learn more about this at your senior meeting, but as a first step, you should create an ID. This will be your electronic signature on your financial aid application. You can use the link provided. You cannot complete the FAFSA application until it opens on October 1st. Finally, look for information from us regarding help in completing the FAFSA and beginning scholarship applications. Even though we're in remote learning, Student Services still plans to host virtual events to assist you in finalizing your plan. Virtual Planning and Paying for College will take place on the evening of September 22nd. This event will help you with financial aid planning and deadlines. As mentioned before, the FAFSA application opens October 1st. We plan to have a way to assist you and your family in completing the FAFSA, and will provide information on that at a later date. If you are interested in the military, you must take the ASVAB test. Typically, Leiden offers this test in November. We are looking into this and will let you know our plan. Finally, college reps from across the country are still hosting visits virtually. We will send you the information on how to sign up for these visits via email and Schoology. Transcripts will be updated and ready for request on September 15th. Do not request your transcript prior to this date. On September 14th, we will do another lesson on how to sign up for your Parchment account during PE class. Many colleges and employers require letters of recommendation from teachers and/or your counselor. If you need a letter of recommendation as part of your application, use these forms to request your letters. So, as final reminders, be sure to complete the survey, wait for your senior meeting appointment with your counselor, and don't wait to get started. Use the resources and links in this lesson and begin planning now.